Hello guys, this is our presentation video for the virtual exchange. We are all three teacher students at Malmö University majoring in English and religion for upper secondary school. My name is Victoria Austin. I am 27 years old. I live together with my Welsh man and my 7-year-old daughter. I worked previously in sales but changed to follow my passion to become a teacher. On my spare time, I'm an avid reader of fiction, mostly fantasy, and I am also a video gamer. One of my favorite places in Sweden is a town called Höör. The picture here is of an old square and is very close to where I live. I like this town because it's very quiet, it's nice, and it's family friendly, with restaurants, bars, gyms, and schools. Trivia about me: I commit to monthly marathons on Netflix.
And my name is Daniel. I'm 24 years old, and on my spare time I like to play disc golf, which is a sport similar to golf, but instead of balls and clubs you use a disc and a basket, or a frisbee. And also I like to play video games like Victoria, and I play a lot with my friends. And my favorite place would probably be somewhere in nature and close to disc golf, of course. Here's one from Hässleholm, which is a place in southern Sweden. And some trivia about me is my best friend would be my parrot Twister, and I always wanted to have a parrot or a bird who could sit on my hand, and now I have one which never leaves me alone.
My name is Alina Sokoli, and I am 21 years old and turning 22 in December. I love to paint and I love to cook. I started studying at Malmö University right after upper secondary school, so that's why I'm still 12 years old. My favorite place is the forest in my parents' backyard. I love it because it's so tranquil and peaceful. The town where I'm from is called Värnamo, which is also where this picture is taken. Some trivia about me: I'm a professional eater. Thank you very much.